Good morning. My name is Pat Darcy. I'm a partner here at the Darcy Johnson Day Law Firm. To my right is my client, Kim Pack, and her husband, Randy. After I finish my remarks here, we are going to have Kim read a brief statement regarding the recent developments surrounding the murder of her mother, April Kauffman. But I first wanted to place the events of May 10th, 2012 into some context. As you can appreciate, given that there is now pending litigation, we cannot go into the level of detail we wish we could, but I will do my best to explain the situation Kimberly now finds herself in. As you know, Kimberly's mother, April Kauffman, was found murdered on May 10th, 2012 in her Linwood, New Jersey home. To date, the matter remains an open and active criminal investigation. What we are here today to discuss is not the criminal matter, but rather a civil matter that was initiated by April's husband, Dr. James Kauffman. In June of this past year, Dr. Kauffman sued the insurance company that issued April Kauffman's life insurance policy and demanded that the monetary proceeds of these policies be paid to him. The matter is now pending in United States District Court for the District of New Jersey. The insurance company has filed documents to bring Kimberly into the case, and as these court documents make clear, under New Jersey law, Dr. Kauffman may not be entitled to the life insurance proceeds, and Kimberly, as the named contingent beneficiary, would be entitled to those proceeds. The New Jersey law is commonly referred to as the Slayer statute, which says that if a person is responsible for the intentional killing of another, that person is not entitled to benefit or profit from that wrongdoing. Let me be clear. Kimberly did not initiate this civil action. And rest assured, she would prefer to let the prosecutor's office continue its investigation into her mother's murder without unnecessary complication. Unfortunately, through no fault of her own, Kimberly is now part of a lawsuit, and in order to protect her rights, she today has filed documents in federal court asserting a claim against Dr. James Kauffman pursuant to New Jersey's Slayer statute. This firm has already undertaken a massive investigation into the matter. Additionally, as you can see here, we have set up a toll-free hotline for anyone that may have relevant facts to share. The toll-free number is 844-DJ-TIPS. In the meantime, we look forward to the day when Dr. Kauffman is put under oath and asked the questions that everyone has wanted asked for nearly 2 years. While this is a civil action, and he has the right to invoke his Fifth Amendment protection against self-incrimination, we believe that Dr. Kauffman will maintain his innocence, and we expect that he will, and we are confident he will be happy to answer every question. And we will ask every question. That I can personally guarantee. We will not rest until justice is served. Thank you.
Good morning. My mom, April Kauffman, was murdered in her home May 10th, 2012. So far, no one has been charged with her murder. Not a day goes by where I do not think about her, miss her terribly, and wish that charges were filed against the individual responsible for her murder. Recently, I was brought into a federal lawsuit that is based upon my stepfather, Dr. James Kauffman, seeking life insurance money from policies insuring my mother's life. This is a very serious matter, and I, along with my attorneys at Darcy Johnson Day, have given careful consideration to what is at stake. This morning, through my attorneys, I have filed paperwork in federal court to stop Dr. Kauffman from obtaining the money. I have purposely tried to avoid directly talking about what happened, but now, after being brought into this lawsuit, I have no choice to respond and to begin to fight for what I know is right. I can no longer sit back and allow what I perceive as an injustice to occur. I know that my mom would not want me to sit back any longer. I realize that my mom's death has received a great deal of media attention, and I also want to personally thank all the members of my community who have shown an outpouring of love and support towards my mother, me, and my family. I'm making this short statement today in effort to directly address the reason why I am going to court against Dr. Kauffman, as I do not want there to be any confusion on this matter. However, it is my hope now that the civil case will be litigated in the courtroom and not through the media. I am respectfully requesting that all future inquiries regarding this matter be directed to my attorneys and not to me or my family, as I will not be able to discuss any details from this case going forward. Of course, I will continue to pray that someday justice may be achieved. Thank you.
Thank you.